The 2026 Mazda RX-7 Hellcat is a car that stands as a true testament to automotive evolution. Over the years, the RX-7 has held a special place in the hearts of enthusiasts, renowned for its unique rotary engine, lightweight, and agile handling. Now, Mazda, in collaboration with the renowned performance powerhouse Dodge, is set to introduce the RX-7 Hellcat, a fusion of two legendary forces in the automotive world. The story behind the RX-7 begins with its predecessor, the RX-3, and its groundbreaking use of the Wankel rotary engine. This engine design set the RX series apart from every other sports car on the market. While many manufacturers stuck with traditional piston engines, Mazda continued to develop and refine the rotary engine. By the time the RX-7 was introduced in 1978, it had already become a symbol of cutting-edge engineering. The RX-7's unique combination of lightweight construction, superb handling, and high-revving engine made it a darling of the performance world. The first and second generations of the RX-7 were beloved by car enthusiasts, but it was the third generation, which debuted in 1992, that truly captured the imagination of the masses. The FD-RX-7, as it was known, became an icon, praised for its near-perfect balance and blistering performance on both the road and the track. Unfortunately, after a brief production run, the RX-7 was discontinued in 2002, leaving a gaping hole in the hearts of car lovers everywhere. But now, nearly 2 decades later, Mazda is bringing the RX-7 back, and it's doing so with a twist. The 2026 Mazda RX-7 Hellcat isn't just a revival of an old nameplate, it's an entirely new animal, one that blends the characteristics of the RX-7 with the sheer muscle and ferocity of Dodge's Hellcat engine. Mazda's partnership with Dodge is a brilliant move that combines the best of both worlds. The Hellcat engine, known for its massive power output and raw performance, is a perfect match for the RX-7's light, agile chassis. What's more, it introduces a new chapter in the story of the RX-7, taking the brand's legacy of innovation and performance to unprecedented heights. At the heart of the 2026 RX-7 Hellcat is a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine, the same one found in the Dodge Challenger Hellcat. This engine produces a jaw-dropping 707 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque, making the RX-7 Hellcat one of the most powerful vehicles in Mazda's history. But despite the added muscle, Mazda has managed to keep the car's weight low, preserving the nimbleness and agility that the RX-7 is famous for. With a power-to-weight ratio that rivals some of the world's most exclusive supercars, the RX-7 Hellcat is an absolute rocket on the road. The car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 3.5 seconds, putting it on par with some of the fastest cars in the world. It's a machine that feels right at home on the racetrack, but also one that's capable of daily driving with ease. One of the most impressive aspects of the RX-7 Hellcat is the way it marries power and handling. Mazda has always been known for its focus on driving dynamics, and the RX-7 Hellcat is no exception. The car features a lightweight aluminum chassis, advanced suspension systems, and a near-perfect 50/50 weight distribution, allowing it to handle with the precision and balance that enthusiasts crave. The car's rear-wheel drive layout ensures that it's always poised and ready for action, while the electronically controlled suspension provides a smooth and controlled ride, whether you're on a winding backroad or a straightaway. But the RX-7 Hellcat isn't just about power and handling, it's about style, too. Mazda has carefully designed the car to reflect the spirit of the original RX-7 while incorporating modern touches. The exterior features sleek, aerodynamic lines, a wide stance, and aggressive styling cues that make it clear this car means business. The front end is dominated by a large grille, flanked by sharp, angular headlights that give the car a menacing look. The rear end is equally striking, with quad exhaust tips and a pronounced rear diffuser that hints at the car's performance capabilities. Inside, the RX-7 Hellcat is a driver-focused environment, with a minimalistic yet luxurious design. The cockpit is dominated by a set of high-performance seats, a sporty steering wheel, and a digital dashboard that provides all the vital information at a glance. The interior is trimmed with high-quality materials, including leather, carbon fiber, and Alcantara, giving the car an upscale feel. Despite its focus on performance, the RX-7 Hellcat doesn't skimp on comfort, with adjustable seating and a state-of-the-art infotainment system that ensures every drive is enjoyable. Technology is another area where the RX-7 Hellcat excels. Mazda has equipped the car with a host of advanced safety and driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking. The car also comes with a high-performance sound system, an advanced navigation system, and smartphone integration, ensuring that you're always connected while behind the wheel. The collaboration between Mazda and Dodge also extends to the car's tuning and performance upgrades. The RX-7 Hellcat is equipped with a variety of performance enhancements that ensure it can handle the immense power of the Hellcat engine. Upgraded brakes, a performance-oriented exhaust system, and a fully adjustable suspension system give the RX-7 Hellcat the ability to tackle both the street and the track with ease. Driving the RX-7 Hellcat is an experience unlike any other. The raw power of the supercharged V8 engine is matched only by the car's exceptional handling and driving dynamics. The car feels incredibly responsive, with lightning-fast throttle response and precise steering that allows you to carve through corners with ease. The exhaust note is pure music, a throaty growl that only intensifies as the revs climb. It's a car that demands your full attention and rewards you with every twist of the wheel. But it's not just about the driving experience, it's also about the thrill of ownership. The 2026 RX-7 Hellcat is a car that demands respect, and it's a machine that will undoubtedly turn heads wherever it goes. Whether you're cruising through city streets or taking it to the racetrack, the RX-7 Hellcat is sure to make a statement. It's a car that combines the legacy of Mazda's Rotary-powered sports cars with the muscle and performance of Dodge's Hellcat engine, creating a machine that is truly one of a kind. In terms of pricing, the RX-7 Hellcat is expected to carry a premium over standard RX-7 models, with an estimated starting price around $80,000. While this places it on the higher end of the sports car market, the car's performance and exclusivity make it worth the investment for those who crave the ultimate driving experience. The 2026 Mazda RX-7 Hellcat is more than just a car, it's a statement. It's a car that pushes the boundaries of what's possible, combining the best of two worlds into one thrilling package. Whether you're a die-hard fan of the RX-7 or a newcomer to the world of performance cars, the RX-7 Hellcat is a car that promises to deliver an unforgettable experience. From its raw power and unmatched handling to its striking design and cutting-edge technology, the RX-7 Hellcat is a true game-changer, and it's set to redefine what we expect from a performance car in the years to come. In conclusion, the 2026 Mazda RX-7 Hellcat is a remarkable achievement that brings together two iconic automotive brands and blends their best qualities into a single, high-performance machine. With its supercharged V8 engine, lightweight design, and advanced technology, the RX-7 Hellcat is a car that offers both exhilarating speed and precision handling. Its combination of style, power, and performance will no doubt make it a legend in its own right, and it's a car that will leave a lasting impression on